back with an F8. Dude, this thing is sick. Oh man, this is one of my favorite cars I've driven, I have to say, easily. I've driven a couple of these. This car specifically, this has full Giantani tune, full Giantani exhaust. It is really fast. It has so much emotion, dude. When you, oh my God. I was saying, bury me in this thing, bro. Well, let me just start by saying we're not gonna be able to drive it today, unfortunately. It's okay. We're just gonna do a sweet watch. You'll be able to hear it. It sounds very, very good. Headphone users, beware, because this thing is loud, bro. But this thing's wicked. Mike is the man. He drives the hell out of this car. He does rallies all over the place. He runs with the PCNY guys. They were just out in Denver. He was doing like literally 210 miles an hour, like hammering this car. We'll get to drive an F8 with a tune soon. Just not this car. We have another car that we're gonna drive. And then we have a Lamborghini we're gonna do right after this. But let's get in it, pull it out, set it up, clean it, and then you guys can enjoy it. Okay, yo guys, get ready. Loud, dude. Oh, let's take a peek inside. Very loud, outrageously loud, ridiculously loud, very amazing. Let me turn it off so I can talk a little bit, and then we'll get to washing. I remember when we did the 812. Yep. I was just like, you're fighting for your life. Yeah. This is what this car is like. Just you just keep grabbing gears and just slide and slide and slide. It's so fucking sick. These F8s are like ridiculous. They're so much fun. They're like this is my type of car. It's like wants to kill you the whole time. This is what I like to drive because it's like keeps you on your feet. Yeah. The Porsches are too good. I was just doing the SF90 yesterday. It's so crazy the difference in like where the motor is set. The SF90 thing is like. We're doing that car. Oh yeah, by the way, we're working next week on an SF90. Thursday, I think I got you. Okay. Are you busy Thursday?
I'll check my schedule.
Okay, well. All right, guys, enjoy. Car's done. Came out very good. Ceramic coating is still very strong, as expected. I mean, again, this is one of the hottest cars. The Italian design, nothing really beats Italian design. It just, there's so much sex appeal, you know. You know when this thing pulls up. So let's pull this up, get the Lamborghini down here. I love the interiors of these things. I was just in the SF90, and I like this a little better, this interior. I mean, it's the same. Ferrari's been doing the same interior-ish, 458, 488 for the last couple cars. It's fun. It's fun. It's like a two-stroke dirt bike with 900 horsepower and 4 tires. But, all right, cool. Let's do it. All right, next one's up. This thing is sick. Huracan, well, Lamborghini, Huracan Evo Spider. So these things are really sick. I haven't driven the Evo. I've driven a Huracan Spider. For a weekend, I had one of these, and they're sick. Sick cars. Super loud, make all the right noise. Everybody loves looking at them. I mean, you pull down the street with one of these, everybody's like, yeah, trying to take pictures and shit. Sick, sick cars. Compared to the Ferrari, two totally different animals. I think this is you know, the go fast, look good, you know, drop the top, I'm the man type of car. The Ferrari's like, you know, let's go kill somebody. Fast, agile, nimble, race car, you know, adrenaline rush. I mean, I don't know, tough to say. But obviously the Ferrari is a much, you know, rear wheel drive, much less tamed. I mean, just a total animal. These cars, you know, all-wheel drive, very confidence inspiring, super, super, super fun to drive. They're harder to like see out of, much like lower feeling. The interior is like, you know, it's got a big windshield, huge dash. You're like always like, what the, where am I? But this is a hot car, super, super hot. V10, 630 horsepower, sick. Love the color. I haven't cleaned a Lamborghini in a pretty long time. Not a lot of my clients have Lamborghinis. True. Yeah, right? I used to have a couple clients that had Lambos, and then I don't know what happened. The Italians, dude, they just do it right. This one doesn't look as bad. I don't think he drives as fast, but I don't know. Who knows? What do you say? Get to work? Let's get to work. All right, we're all finished. Both cars, all set. Standard details, just good cleanings. This one didn't need much, ceramic boost. This one needed a nice sealant. Two amazing cars. You guys drop a comment, let us know what you think. Which one's nicer? Which one would you rather drive? I think that's it, man. Guys, thanks for tuning in, guys. Please like, subscribe, throw on the notifications, help us out, give us some love, give us some support. We need it. But yeah, shout out to these guys, man. Awesome. We'll throw their Instagrams in the description, so you guys can give them a follow. They're actually two brothers, so it's pretty awesome. Imagine growing up with your brother and then doing this when you guys make it. Goals, dude. Goals. Good for them both. But that's great. But guys, thank you. See you next time. No drive this time, unfortunately, but it's all good. Gonna change it up a little bit.
What?